The question is, Company A Private Limited want to maximum profit for porcelain, crucible and platinum crucible. Crucible yield a profit of RM RM50 per year, and platinum crucible yields a profit of RM2 per unit. So, the question A is model the equation for maximum profit and its constraint involved. So, the answer is porcelain crucible we can replace as X, and platinum crucible we can replace as Y. So, the equation 8 plus Y lebih besar ataupun sama dengan 1200, Y lebih besar ataupun sama dengan 1/2 X, and X lebih besar ataupun sama dengan 600 plus 3Y. Okay, that's all.
Okay, for question B, draw a graph based on 1A. So from the question 1A, we get 3 equation, right? For the first equation, we get X plus Y exceed or equal to 1200. For equation 2, we get Y exceed or equal to 1/2X. And lastly, we get X exceed or equal to 600 plus 3Y. Okay, for equation number 1, we have to get the plotting point. So we can plot the graph based on the plotting point lah. So for the equation Y, when X are equal to 0, then Y we get 1200. And when Y are equal to 0, then X are equal to 1200. For equation number 2, Y are exceed or equal to 1/2X. So when Y are equal to 0, then X also we get 0. For equation number 3, we get X are exceed or equal to 600 plus 3Y. So when X are equal to 600, then Y are equal to 0. And then we substituting value X are equal to 0, then Y we will get negative 200. Okay, so after we get all the plotting point, we plot the point on the graph paper. Okay, lepas tu we have to shade the area based on tanda yang lebih kecil atau sama dengan tu untuk dapatkan region area yang kita kena lorek. Lepas dah siap, kita akan dapat lorekkan tu dekat area negatif juga. So dekat situ kita kena abaikan sebab nilai profit tak boleh sama dengan negatif. After that, we have to do the same thing but on the Excel to get a graph, to do a graph on Excel. And yeah, that's the answer we get. Okay, thank you.
Let's discuss our answer for question C. Find the optimum units for porcelain crucibles and platinum crucibles based on the maximum profits. So, let's define the variables. X is number of porcelain crucibles produced. So Y, number of platinums of crucibles produced. So the objective functions represents the profits. Z equation 1.5x plus 2y. Now let's consider the constraints. Combined production level should not exceed 1,200 units per month. X plus Y less than 1200. Demand for platinum crucible is no more than half the demands for porcelain crucibles. Y less than 0.5x. Production level of porcelain crucibles is less than or equals to 600 units plus 3 times the production level of platinum crucibles. X less than 600 plus 3y. Next, to find the optimum units, we need to find the corner points of the feasible regions. We can do this by solving the system of equations formed by the constraints. By substituting the second constraint into the third constraint, we get x less than 600 plus 3 into the bracket 0.5x, x less than 600 plus 1.5x. Then we get a negative 0.5x less than 600, totally x greater than negative 1200.
Alternatively, y equal to 0 into y equal to 0.5x. We get y equal to 0.5 bracket 0. We get y equal to 0. The corner points of the feasible region are bracket 800, 400, then bracket 1200, 0, and the last bracket 0, 0. Now we substitute the corner points into the objective function to find the maximum profit. First, set bracket 800, 400 equal to 1.5 bracket 800 plus 2 bracket 400 equal to 2400 plus 800 equal to 3200. Next, Z bracket 1200, 0 equal to 1.5 bracket 1200 plus 2 bracket 0 equal to 1800 plus 0 equal to 1800. Then we got Z bracket 0, 0 equal to 1.5 bracket 0 plus 2 bracket 0 equal to 0 plus 0 equal to 0. From this calculation, we can see that the maximum profit is Rm 3200, which occurs when company ESPN BHT produces 800 porcelain crucible and 400 platinum crucible.